You guys make it really hard to quit.
I'm quitting YouTube.
It is also the last video I'm recording in 2022, and it is the last thing I'm doing on YouTube for a long while.
Let's answer this question. Why is everyone quitting YouTube? Because recently, I've seemed to find a bunch of people quitting their YouTube channels. And it's not just the pro YouTubers, it's also small ones. And that's including me. So I want to go over the reasons why you may quit your channel and ways to stop quitting or burnout. Point 1, you are barely getting any views. The amount of channels I've seen who have high subscriber counts and low views are insane. I want to use this guy's YouTube channel as an example, as this guy has 180,000 subscribers. So you would think he averaged maybe like 30,000 views a video. Well, he used to. In fact, he even got 2 million views on one of his videos. But eventually, the views just kept tumbling and tumbling. So eventually, he quit it. The point I'm trying to make here is that getting loads of views at the start really boosts your mindset and makes you want to create more. But if you spend days on a video and then you see low views, it could potentially harm your mental stability and eventually end up with you quitting. The same thing happened to me. I used to average about 1,000 views per video. Now I can barely pull 300 views. Point 2, your personal life can really affect your YouTube channel. Personally, sometimes I've even felt like YouTube was a chore. I had to do it, and that makes it so boring and unenjoyable. For me, it was school. As the year I'm in, you have to do a bunch of tests and homework, and trying to also post a video at the same time ruined me mentally. It was so frustrating. I've seen a common sign of YouTubers quitting is something personal comes up in their life, like when Dan TDM had his children. Obviously, children need a lot of attention and care, so quitting YouTube forever, or even a little bit, would be 100% necessary. So you can either build yourself up in your personal life, oh god, or just focus on the other stuff that you want to achieve. Point 3, quitting straight away. Now once again, I've seen a bunch of new channels before that have recently started YouTube, thinking that it's going to be easy and then just quitting. Now I'm not going to say names, as to be honest, I'm not in the mood for trouble today. But loads of people don't even know how to edit a video or make a thumbnail or anything. And going back to point 1, they see low results and quit. Something personal for me again was my other channel, It's Blade. About a year ago, I had no idea how to make a thumbnail or edit videos. I mean, just look at this thumbnail. It's absolutely awful, no? No wonder I only got 74 views. But my baby little mind thought this was gonna blow up and get like 100,000 views. I didn't really care about the thumbnail. As long as there was something there, I just couldn't care less. But me, every upload seeing lower and lower results, eventually making me make this video, where I didn't really quit, but whatever. Point 4, hate. Now personally, I get quite a lot of hate on my other channel. Again, not gonna point at people, but you get the gist. For example of this, we are going to find this channel called Toby Willis. Don't ask how I came up with that name, literally the first thing I could think of. Now Toby here just posted a Minecraft video about him trying to defeat the Ender Dragon. Toby in the video eventually quits, as he couldn't beat it. He checks this video the next day and the hate comes rushing in. How did you even lose? Imagine quitting. You rage quitted on Minecraft. How about you rage quit on your own channel? And he did exactly that. The point I'm trying to get across here is that when you see someone hating you, you can start thinking bad things about you, and it could really affect your thoughts during the day and your whole life mentally. So in this situation, I'd like to either ignore the hate comments and read the constructive criticism ones, and focus more on what to do for the next video. Now the last point, point 5, this point will eventually make every YouTuber quit. And that is because every YouTuber will eventually die, and their channel will be gathering dust by the minute. Oh god, that went a bit dark. Anyway, for those wondering what you should do if you feel burnt out, or you relate to any of those points, is simply take a break. Focus on your life, take one good breath, and get back oh my god, and get back to creating amazing content. Because no matter how long it takes, I know that all of us have a chance on YouTube, and if you want to watch a video on how to make the best thumbnails on YouTube and also help this poor video get 300 views, then click this video.